Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow s'mores. First, gather your essential ingredients: graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. For the best s'mores experience, opt for large, fluffy marshmallows that toast beautifully. A good quality milk chocolate bar, or similar, will melt perfectly, creating that gooey, delicious center we all love. Make sure everything is within easy reach before you start. Now, let's get to the fun part: roasting your marshmallow. Use a long, sturdy stick or skewer to keep a safe distance from the heat source. Hold your marshmallow a few inches above the flame, not directly in it, to prevent burning. Slowly rotate it to achieve that beautiful, even golden brown color and a perfectly gooey interior. Patience is key for a perfectly toasted marshmallow. Once your marshmallow is perfectly toasted, it's time to assemble your s'more quickly. Break a graham cracker in half and place a piece of chocolate on one half. Carefully slide the hot, gooey marshmallow directly onto the chocolate. The heat from the marshmallow will start to melt the chocolate immediately. Finally, top it with the other graham cracker half and press down gently to create that classic s'mores sandwich. Your delicious s'more is now ready to enjoy. The best way to experience it is while it's still warm, with the chocolate perfectly melted and the marshmallow wonderfully gooey. Be prepared for a little mess. Sticky fingers are part of the s'mores experience. These treats are perfect for sharing around a campfire, creating wonderful memories with friends and family. Enjoy every sweet bite.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.